Hey guys, it's Miss Patrick again. I'm going over day 3, the weekly language quiz. So number 1 says circle the words that need to be capitalized. The Golden Gate Bridge is an amazing thing to see. So we've learned that we use capital letters for proper nouns and to begin a sentence. So when we look here, the already has a capital letter and it begins our sentence, so that must tell us we have some proper nouns. In this sentence, there is a specific place, and that specific place is the Golden Gate Bridge. And a lot of times when I'm reviewing your work, I see that you guys will capitalize Golden Gate but not Bridge. So you have to capitalize Golden Gate and Bridge. So you should make the G in golden a capital G, the G in gate a capital G, and the B in bridge a capital B. Number 2. Which definition matches the underlined word in the sentence? Key. We just learned about keys with Benjamin Franklin on Monday. Key, noun, a tool for opening doors. Noun. Number 2, a list of map symbols. So which definition matches the underlined word? The key has a lot of information. So the keys that we use to open doors are very handy, but they do not have any information on them. However, the key we use when we're looking at a map tells us lots of information. Like it can tell us where a road is, where a specific city or location that we're looking at. So the definition that matches for number 2 would be the second definition. So you can circle number 2 on your paper or just write number 2 at the bottom. Then we have number 3. What does the underlined word mean? Highlight the clues in the sentence that helped you. Our sentence is, the weather report cautioned motorists to beware of slippery road condition. And our underlined word is beware. So we see beware a lot around Halloween time, and we know it's telling us to be cautious. If we see a sign that says beware of the dog, we know that that dog is not friendly to strangers probably. So we should be cautious. So cautious for number 3. Number 4, fill in the missing plural noun. The flock of blank flew south for the winter. And our word is goose. So we could say gooses or geese. Now, which one of those is right? A lot of you may still think it's gooses, but we've went over this and it's not gooses, it's geese. And geese is Geese. Number 5. The suffix less means without, so the word lifeless means. So when we're taking apart words like that, if there's a prefix or a suffix, we look at the base word or the root word in that. And our root word for this one is life. So if less means without, then lifeless would mean without life. And number 6. Fill in the missing word using an apostrophe. Now remember, our apostrophes are up in the air. Commas are down below, so our apostrophe is up in the air. The bone belongs to the dog. It is the blank's bone. So if we just put D-O-G-S, it is the dog's bone, then that means there's more than one dog. And there's not more than one dog in this case. So the dog owns the bone. So it should be D-O-G apostrophe up in the sky S. Number 7. Underline the reflexive pronoun in the sentence. She looked at herself in the mirror to check out her new hat. So reflexive pronouns are things such as myself, yourself, herself, itself, himself. And our reflexive pronoun today is herself. And the directions say to underline it. So make sure you don't circle it, make sure you underline. And number 8, fill in the missing past tense verb. My dad blank from his nap. And it says awake. So normally we add ed to make something past tense, but awaked is not a word. So instead of adding ed, we're going to change it to awoke. My dad awoke from his nap. And how you spell awoke is A-W-O-K-E. All right. That is all for our language quiz. I will be taping how we do our sentence fixers next. Go ahead and make as many corrections as you can to your sentence fixers, and then we'll go over it together and we can check and see what we missed and what we got right. All right, guys, love and miss you. Tune into the next video.